You could have used your SVR then. I mean, A, not R.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, eastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cranberry, or 13 miles south of New Brunswick, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour.
Ugh.
Other strong to potentially severe storms were located from northeast Philadelphia to Hamilton and were nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Rare.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Old Bridge, Bensalem, East Brunswick, Manalapan, Willingboro, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Methuen, Riverside, Palmyra, Jamesburg, Highttown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Beverly, Tullytown, and Allentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 352 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 30 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 18. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 44 and 58, and between mile markers 63 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds lead to flash flooding. Remember, flash flood warning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.